Hi everyone, it's Chi here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification button. So today on this video, I'm going to give you my 7 weekly update investing in stocks on the Commsec Pocket App. We're investing in ETFs, which are exchange traded funds, and so I'm just going to go through the results with you in a minute. I just want to talk a little bit about the reinvestment plan. So when you buy the Better Shares stocks, you get a letter in the mail and it gives you a link, and you can go to the investor center, and from there you can actually join up the reinvestment plan. Once you get like a dividend, they automatically buy new stock with the money that you get paid from the dividend. And it's a really good idea for you to do this because they normally buy it at a lower cost than what the stocks are worth on the market. So it's a good way to build up your portfolio this way. The other thing that I want to talk about is that I'm a life purpose coach. So my job is actually to help people find a life purpose. I'm going to be loading up a new section where I'll be teaching you all about what a life purpose is and how you can go about finding your life purpose journey. Is actually a very difficult one. If you can actually find your life purpose, it's like finding your pot of gold. What I recommend you do if you're really serious about finding your life purpose is to do some coaching with me. I do have a coaching program which I offer to people on a one-to-one basis, and I basically coach people either from overseas or from Australia or Perth. If you are in Perth, I can do it in person, one-on-one, but if you're overseas or interstate or anything like that, I can do it online for you as well. If you are interested in life purpose coaching, then just contact me on my email, which is chifan69@gmail.com. So I'm just going to go into the results now of my 7 weekly update. So at the end of this week, the 7th week since I've started investing in the stock market, I've got $741 and some cents in profit, which averages out to be about $105 a week since I've started, which is pretty good, I think. I'm pretty happy with that. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button and leave your comments down the bottom, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can, and I'll see you next time for the next update. Bye.